In this video, we'll be looking at using the timeline, including viewing the timeline, adding tasks to the timeline, removing tasks from the timeline, and sharing the timeline via documents and emails. So the timeline is displayed at the top of your Gantt chart view. However, if it's not shown up, simply click on the View tab and ensure that the timeline button is selected here. So the timeline is a really good way of showing some of the key tasks and milestones in your project. And to add in some of these, go up to the timeline, click on it, and in the Format tab, simply go onto Assisting Tasks button and then select the task you want to add in. So for example, I'm going to add into my timeline the book venue, the send out invitations, order a cake, purchase food, book a DJ, and the party itself. So now you can see it's displayed at the top as bars. Alternatively, if you don't want to display it as a bar, you can display it as a call out. So you can see it up there displayed as a call out. And you can see the milestone is also included. So if you want a detailed view or undetailed view, you just need to click on this tab here. If you want to start removing some of your tasks from the timeline, you just simply need to click on the task you want to remove and then click on the Remove from Timeline button here. Or simply click on it and then click on the Delete button on your keyboard. Now you added tasks to your timeline, you may want to share the timeline with others. So you can do that by clicking on the Copy Timeline button up here. And for example, if I click on For Presentations, it automatically copies it over. So if I go to a PowerPoint presentation, and then if I just copy and paste this into the screen here, the timeline now appears, which is really useful if you want to embed it in some of your presentations. So here you go. If I go back to the project, I could also display it as an email. So that gave you a little insight in using the timeline for Microsoft Project.